Welcome to Sherlock Institute of Forensic Science. Do you always wonder how toxicologists work hand in hand with forensic experts to crack complex cases? Do you want to explore the thrilling world of forensic medicine and toxicology? Then get ready to uncover the science behind poisons, drugs, and their effects on the human body with our online course on forensic medicine and toxicology. Whether you are an aspiring forensic scientist or a seasoned professional, our course will take you on a captivating journey through 3 levels of expertise. Solidify your expertise and open doors to exciting career opportunities by choosing between a prestigious certificate and a postgraduate diploma. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and unlock the secrets that bring justice to light. Click the link in the description below to learn more and start your forensic journey today.